We got a guest.
Well, hello there.
Hey.
We are with cabin 11244. Guys, I want you guys to check out a junior suite. Come on inside so you guys can see what it looks like on the Royal Caribbean, wonder of the seas. All right, so when you go inside, obviously you always put your card in. You can put any card, honestly, to keep your lights on if you would like. And I really like that these rooms now, they have these magnets on it so that they can tell people, you can tell your steward, hey, I'm sleeping, do not disturb, or out catching thrills, please come and make up my room. It's a magnet and you just put it on the outside of your door.
Now isn't that a lot better than the one that hangs on the door and falls off?
Falls off, all in the hall and all that jazz.
Innovative.
So where do we want to start? Do we want to give them a large overview or do we want to just jump into the bathroom?
Should we give a 360 real quick?
Let's give them a 360.
Okay guys, get ready for the 360. How was that?
Very classy, right?
How y'all feeling?
Very large, very classy, worth the money. Let's come on inside to the bathroom.
All right.
All right, let's talk about how large this bathroom is. Okay, this bathroom is very spacious and it has a full tub. Okay, a full tub that you can get your whole body lay down and take a nice bath.
Or traveling with kids. You
Right.
can stick those two kids in there.
Right,
The
exactly.
kids you got.
It includes a soap by Salt and Breathe. So they have shampoo, conditioner, soap. And the soap is a Velveteer Coconut Sandalwood soap. Same thing for the conditioner and the shampoo. It is a nice round bowl sink here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shelves for you to put your stuff. More than enough shelves. Also, there's shelves space at the bottom so that you can put, if you don't have enough, you know, if you come as a family,
Right.
you can put your stuff.
Let's talk about the black backsplash.
Really pretty. The blue leaves.
Classy.
Hooks here to hang any of your, you know, wet bathing suits or whatever you want. They also do have the clothesline inside the shower in case you want to just let it drip dry inside the shower. Of course, they have the hangers here, and of course, you know, you keep your bathroom fresh. Got the air freshener.
Right.
Okay, so this is a really nice size bathroom. Huge. And for my tall ladies and gentlemen, I still think that if you get into the shower, you would have plenty of space.
Well, get in.
I mean, I'm not tall.
Oh,
I'm 5'5"
okay.
and a half.
I guess it wouldn't have the same effect.
It wouldn't have the same effect. But I believe that if you're 6 feet tall and
You're good to
over,
go.
you're good to go. You wouldn't have to feel so hunched down in the shower.
Yeah.
And most importantly, the shower head is adjustable. You can lift it up, you can lift it down to your height. Of
We like
course.
that.
We like that. We like that. You know what else we like is a full body mirror. So you can
We
look
love
at
it.
yourself, check out your fit before you go out.
We love
onto
the body.
promenade.
A body mirror.
We love a full body mirror, okay? So this is a great mirror to have to check yourself out because who doesn't want to see themselves head to toe, darling?
Right.
Okay, and the reason why you need to see yourself head to toe is because you came with the wardrobe, right? You came with
Did
the
you?
clothes, you came with the dresses, you came with
Well,
the
where you gonna
suit.
put all that stuff? All that stuff.
I know, all that stuff. Where you gonna hang it is the question.
Is it gonna go in here?
No, it ain't gonna go there. I mean, everybody else has this, yes, but which is nice shelves, yes. This
Is
a
it
nice
gonna go in
wardrobe.
here?
Those are nice to put, you know, your undies and your bathing
Okay,
suits
right,
and all
right.
that other jazz.
Right.
You got a refrigerator, okay? But we're gonna get back to that. I'm gonna tell you
Okay.
where you're gonna hang those gowns
The gowns.
and the tuxedo and the suit and all that other jazz.
Classy.
Come on in with me.
As she walks into the closet.
The walk-in closet, y'all. Hold on, let me move to the side so you can get a full view of a walk-in closet. This is bigger than people's closets in their own home, okay? This closet is large, spacious.
All the bags, all the hangers.
All the bags, all these hangers they provide, all these shelvings. You can put your nice beach bags, your large tote bags, lots of space to put your shoes. This is more than enough space for you and your honey, you by yourself if you're doing your thing, you and your family, and it includes a plush robe. Because you ain't gonna be in a suite, darling, and not feel cool with a Royal Caribbean plush robe.
You up in the suite you deserve.
Yes, you definitely deserve. Exactly. So a nice plush robe for you And no, you do not get to keep the robe. Okay, so I'm sure if you ask, maybe you get. But
when you stay in the suite, you'll be
in the
surprised
suite,
when you
they can
ask.
pull off for you.
Yes.
Okay, you're spending that coin. Why not? All right. So these were some of the gifts, being that we are on the Wonder of the Seas inaugural sailing. We're on the very first sailing of Wonder of the Seas, first passengers, and someone was so kind with us for us to show off their room and wanted us to, you know, give you guys this tour so you guys could see
more content.
More content for us, and we're so thankful. So we just want to show you some of the things they included for them. Bottle of wine, a bottle of bubbly, really, really nice.
The hat.
A hat
is included.
The flag that came on the first day where everybody waved. And for the
sail away party.
The
there was a lot of flags out there.
Lots of lighting, I will say, in this room. This light is pretty cool. You can lift.
Nope.
No, that's all it does.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all it does.
But it serves a purpose of lighting.
You want to come and get yourself a cappuccino. You can make yourself a cappuccino right here in your room.
Okay.
Okay, where cappuccinos are usually a specialty drink that you have to pay extra for. This is, you can come in your comfort of your own room, in your plush robe, after you finish taking a bath, and make yourself a cappuccino. We love a desk that has a back to it. And not only is it's a nice cushioned leather and velvet chair. Very plush. So if you come and you need to do work, ladies, you can sit here, lay your makeup out, take your time and do your makeup, not feel so cramped in the bathroom doing your makeup. This is the perfect place for you to do your work, makeup, whatever you want here at this desk. Love the desk, and I love the extra shelving. Let's also talk about the plugs that they have here. They have 1, 2, 3 regular US ports. Am I saying that correctly? And these are the international ports, 2 of those.
And USB.
And 2 USB ports. You can also turn on the lights, as you guys can just see. Did you catch that light? No, he ain't catch
Hit me
it.
again. I wasn't.
Catch the light. Because we like the lighting when we're doing our makeup. Okay, so you can come in, do your makeup with the lighting here in this mirror. All right, let's take you off to the next part. Of course, your fridge has, your room does include a refrigerator, okay?
Right.
A refrigerator there for you, and the drawer has a blow dryer, okay? Typically, like most rooms here on the Wonder of the Seas. Look at this beautiful king-size bed.
Huge.
Who doesn't want a beautiful king-size bed to roll around, feel comfortable, and of course 4 king-size pillows are included on your king-size bed. I've been sleeping in a bed, and what do you think of the comfort of the bed, Richard?
Pretty good. I slept good.
Yeah, I've slept good. I slept good. You remember these are new beds that need to be
broken into.
So,
I like to be the one doing the breaking in, though. You know what I'm saying? Inaugural.
Look at this.
I didn't mean like that. No, I actually wasn't meaning like that.
Okay, so
the
bed.
Now I am, but
The bed has a lovely emblem of the Royal Caribbean, very classy, on the linen.
Custom
Very
sheets.
Nice. Custom sheets.
Let's talk about nightstand. It's a big deal because we spend a lot of time in bed, so we're going to spend a lot of time next to the nightstand.
Right.
And here we do have a regular plug and a USB on there.
Yes, regular plug and
Little shelf.
USB. Little shelf. You can put your books if you like.
Thermostat is here.
Same thing on this side, except this side has the phone to call down to guest services, so wherever you need to call to. Now let's talk about where my young ladies are sitting. There is a full nice couch here, and we know from our room experience that this couch can pull out to a nice full queenish size bed, and these girls sleep very comfortably in the bed every night. So it's a nice size bed, and it's nice to have a couch where you can just, don't feel like you have to sit in your bed to do everything in your room.
All right.
Okay.
Let's talk about the room size, though.
It's huge. It is a really huge room for a cruise ship. Very spacious.
Extremely.
Let's talk about the size of the TV, because this is the size TV I got in my house.
Right.
Okay?
That's a good 55.
55. I give it 55.
Yeah. Wow.
I give it a 55-inch TV in your bedroom.
And of course it
pulls
tilts,
out.
as you can see. Tilts, it pulls out. And there's a couch.
Yes, it's another lovely
love seat.
love seat here for you. And if you have guests, you want to bring them up to your room, they can come up, sit in this chair. You have more than enough seating here. We like gifts, right? Do you like gifts?
I love gifts.
Let's talk about the gifts.
Royal is gifting.
Royal is gifting. Royal is gifting, and we love a gift. Royal is gifting those
Daily.
Daily, every day. There's been gifts. Let's talk about the mason jar. This was from the Mason Jar, which is Royal Caribbean's newest restaurant. If you guys have not or will, check out that vlog. We went to the Mason Jar, and here is what they get left in the room. It was a bourbon pecan pie, chocolate. Okay. Also, they souvenir bottle, Coca-Cola, because you know they are affiliated.
Pay attention to the words.
They're sponsored by
Wonder of the Seas.
Wonder
that
of the
is
Seas.
Extremely exclusive.
Yes, very exclusive. Also, one night they also had a plate of macaroons.
Macaroons?
Macaroons, yes.
Okay.
Which are usually an upcharge.
Right.
In those dessert places on ships. They also gifted us with a, help me out here. This is a magnet card holder that you put, not magnet, but it's a sticker. You put on the back of your cell phone. You can keep, like, if you're the type of person that just wants to go out their house with their license and their credit card, you can put that on the back of your phone.
Stick it on the back of your cell phone.
And there
you
you go.
got a card holder.
Exactly, you got a card holder. Now
These are the cards that come with them every day. Just so you know what those are.
Right, so they can tell you that please enjoy your whatever it is. And of course, the Mason Jar.
Now everyone on the ship is not going to get this gift.
Everyone in it, right? This is a special gift, and I want to show you and do an unboxing so that you guys can see what the Mason Jar was giving out. The Mason Jar included a Mason Jar, the stubborn mule they call it. They gave you the ingredients to make a stubborn mule.
Oh.
Yes, so it include
It's the Gosling rum and the whiskey. Okay.
Of course, you could eat it up with a bourbon pecan pie.
Right.
Chocolate.
More chocolate.
Yes.
And if you're not a mixologist, the ingredients are here, guys. You can learn. That is fancy.
Very fancy. A beautiful box. Nice souvenir box as well. Really, really nice. And it's sitting on a lovely round coffee table. Okay. Very, very nice.
Girls,
now, can I have my girls open up the curtain
will you do the
for me
honors
and reveal the box? Ooh. Yeah. So there is lighting out here there's lighting here that you can also illuminate your room even more at night. You slide this open and you come on out. No, there is no lighting. There is no light out here on the balcony.
Okay.
But this is really, really nice. It includes.
This is huge.
Yeah, this is huge. It includes
a
reclining chair. You can just lay out
and
if you want.
Piece pulls out. Pull out the other piece, baby.
And this pulls out onto a ottoman.
Can you demonstrate, Rain?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh wow! How about you,
Looks
Royce?
very relaxed. Is this what your life is about? Relaxing?
You want to lay back?
In the Bahamas?
Yes.
Okay.
The life. Truly the life.
This is a life of R&R.
Exactly. Enjoying the fruits of your labor, enjoying life. This balcony is the largest balcony I have been on a cruise ship. Extremely large,
really
very
big.
spacious. I believe
It's
that
not
it's
just
big,
long,
right,
but it's wide.
It's very
You see
wide.
what I'm saying? Yeah. Sometimes the balconies are long
like
extended
this.
that way,
Right.
but not this way.
Like the extended balcony on the Carnival Mardi Gras, but they're long like this, but they're not wide like this.
Right. Yeah, the
So
suite
width-
balconies are definitely a lot wider.
Exactly. So you really do feel like this room, you are getting your money's worth. And of course, when you are someone that is booking a suite room, you have perks, you have things that it comes along with, and we showed you just a few
Including
of those perks.
access to the suite area that's brand new on the Wonder of the Seas.
Yes, yes,
If
yes.
you book one of these, you will have access to that area.
Absolutely. All right, so let me just put this chair back up.
Guys, I
and
see
we
the
can get ready
carnival.
to wrap up this vlog.
Oh, she sees some. Look at all the cruise ships. Guys, if you look straight out there, you will see this carnival celebration, the 50th year anniversary, the carnival's birthday. That's the ship meetup, and that's what it looks like if you're on the outside looking in. Very cool how the ships just pull up. We thought it was weird that they were just one ship pulled up and then they all kept going in that direction, but yeah, it's a ship meetup. Very cool.
All right, guys, so we hope that you enjoyed this junior suite balcony room. I hope that you guys got a real idea of what the room looked like, our opinions on the room. I think it's absolutely a gorgeous stateroom.
Definitely.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Very, very modern, very
Really
fresh,
spacious.
very brand new. The carpet is, I didn't talk about the carpet. The carpet looks great as well. So I hope that we gave you some insight and helped you guys if this was a room that you wanted to book for on the Royal Caribbean Wonder of the Seas.
Yep.
And if you need help booking a room, Rich and I are travel agents. Reach out to us at arichandjazzyfamily@gmail.com. We can send you a price quote for this exact room or any room aboard the Wonder of the Seas. Anything else you want to add?
Yeah. If we gave you value in this video, guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe, thumbs up, drop a comment, let us know that this was helpful to you or not helpful to you. Either way, let us know. We appreciate that. And that's about it.
Right. And don't forget to share this with your friends and family.
Yes.
And until the next vlog, guys, continue to live
A rich
and jazzy
life.